friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review a vinegar that is quite popular in the market, and it's quite been there in India for quite some time now. And this is the Kalvert Foods cooking vinegar. So this is a brown vinegar that I have here from Kalvert's Food, and this is a cooking vinegar. Basically, you can use it for cooking in Chinese dishes or any kind of food that you're preparing which requires some sautage. You can use vinegar for that. And vinegar is an acidic product, basically made from acetic acid, and yeah, you use it for cooking and flavoring your food. So guys, let's look at the packaging. It comes packaged in a plastic bottle. Right here we have a label which has cooking vinegar written on it, vinegar written on top of it, and then the branding of Kalvert Foods Private Limited below it is given. And this is brown in color because it is caramelized vinegar, and this is synthetic non-fruit vinegar. Basically, this is synthetic vinegar made from acetic acid. Net contents are 750 ml, so this is 750 ml, and the MRP of same is rupees 42. The ingredients of this vinegar are water, acetic acid, and caramel. Contains not less than 3.75 grams of acetic acid per 100 ml. To enhance taste, add vinegar in cooking, salads, pickles, and can marinate vegetables and non-veg products with the vinegar for flavoring. The shelf life is 18 months from packaging, which is good. Yeah, that's all the information that's available about this vinegar. It has a very strong smell, and I have used it in cooking, and I like the taste of it. It brings a very nice taste and flavor and fragrance, aroma to the food which you added. It's a very strong acidic smell. It has that acidic fragrance to it, and so it tastes nice. When you try it in foods and salads, you add it, it will give it a nice taste. So guys, this was my review about the Kalvert Foods vinegar, cooking vinegar here. It's also available in white vinegar, which is again synthetic vinegar and which doesn't have caramel, and yeah, the price is the same for both. So guys, this is the Kalvert Foods cooking vinegar. You can purchase it from Amazon. I left the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.